Creating wealth can seem like a slow process, especially when you're just starting out. Many successful people, like Charlie Munger, have talked about this. Munger once said that the first $100,000 is a challenge, but achieving $1 million might seem impossible. It takes a long time, but understanding compound interest can make this dream possible. To build your wealth, you need to focus on increasing your net worth, not just your current cash or bank balance. This means combining your earnings, savings, investments, and income-generating assets, a process called wealth accumulation. Good financial planning and knowing your financial goals are important, but the most crucial part is investing. Investing can seem complicated because of misconceptions and lack of knowledge. Many people are scared of losing money and avoid investing altogether. Taking the first step can be hard, especially when your financial goals seem far away. But investing doesn't have to be complicated. With some basic knowledge, you can start on the path to your first $100,000. Charlie Munger said that reaching the first $100,000 requires discipline and a well-structured plan. If you don't already budget or keep track of your expenses, now is a good time to start. Budgeting helps you save consistently, which is essential for reaching your financial goal. Even small daily expenses, like your morning coffee or choosing public transport instead of driving, can add up over time. Compound interest works wonders when your investment portfolio grows. So, every dollar you save and invest now is important. For example, if you invest $250 each month at a 7% annual interest rate, you can reach $100,000 in about 17 years. Investing more can speed up your journey. Understanding this can make the path to the first $100,000 less daunting. Once you have your first $100,000, reaching $1 million becomes more achievable. Consistent saving and investing are crucial. Saving and investing $10,000 every year with compound interest can reach $100,000 in a little over 5 years. Over time, reaching each additional $100,000 becomes faster and more attainable. Remember that as you get older, your income is likely to increase, allowing you to save more each year. Combined with compound interest, this accelerates your journey to your first $1 million. So remember, while building wealth may seem slow, understanding compound interest can make it feel possible. Start with small investments and be disciplined in your saving and investment habits. You'll be on your way to reaching your financial goals, whether it's your first $100,000 or your first $1 million.